WSU students have officially hit the books. Some decided to enjoy their last weekend before school started by going to parties.
I think that there's definitely a really high level of personal responsibility that unfortunately a lot of young people are not indicating that they're able to handle.
Grace Hendrickson is a first-year grad student. In the past few weeks, she's seen more students on campus.
People walking around unmasked, lining up in close groups outside of main entrances and doorways.
She's also seen this and more near her own backyard.
In my alleyway, I've got, down less than a quarter mile, a couple 100 yards, big parties happening on decks down below. What's concerning is there's the amount of people who are going from house to house to house, because if you're at one place with 30 people and someone is infected and doesn't know, you're then taking that to another house full of another 30 people.
The potential consequence? COVID-19.
I've spoken to a few young adults who tested positive, and they've said they were at a party, and obviously they say, well, I don't know everybody that was there.
Henderson is worried students will get sick first, and then the elderly and ill will follow.
I think the students need to be really aware of the fact that their poor choices, although it's not likely to have a serious negative impact on them as an individual, it does put the larger community at risk.
A community Hendrickson said students need to help protect.
Cougs help cougs, so you need to take responsibility and wear a mask and not go out and interact appropriately.
Now, when I talked to the Pullman police chief today, he said depending on the number of parties and the number of cases, they may not give out a warning anymore. They would just give them a ticket flat out. Reporting live from the Sky Deck, Kaitlin, Knapp, 4 News Now.